Hello everyone, welcome back. Let us continue. Today we will study in detail about elements. Elements are those pure chemical substances which are made up of only one kind of atoms. It means these substances cannot be further split into simpler substances under normal conditions. For example, carbon is an element because it cannot be split into simpler substances by applying heat, light, electricity and pressure. Elements are considered as building blocks of all compounds present in the universe. Some examples of elements are calcium, oxygen, magnesium, carbon, hydrogen, helium and other more. Till date, about 118 elements have been discovered, out of which 92 elements are natural and rest are synthetic, that is man-made, which is prepared in laboratory. About 80% of these 92 elements are metals. These elements are found in earth crust either in free state or in combined state. Free state, for example, hydrogen. Combined state, where hydrogen is interlinked with any other element, that is oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen, two atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. It forms the formula H2O, where hydrogen is in combined state. Now we'll discuss about characteristics of element. If we are talking about characteristics of elements, elements are homogeneous in nature because they are made up of only one type of particles, one kind of atoms. Thus they are homogeneous. For example, if we are talking about copper, copper is made up of only copper atoms and iron element is only made up of iron atoms. There is no mixing of any other atoms in a particular element. Thus we can say it is a homogeneous substance. Elements cannot be broken into simpler substances by applying heat, light, electricity, pressure. For example, if hydrogen element, if we try to break out hydrogen element, it cannot be broken down into simpler substances. Whereas water is not an element because it can be split into hydrogen and oxygen by passing electricity. By the process of electrolysis, we can segregate hydrogen and oxygen on different electrode, that is anode and cathode, which we have discussed in class 8th. The smallest unit of element is atom, which shows all the properties of element. Therefore, all the atoms of elements are identical. Atoms of different element differ in various aspects. Carbon atom is different from hydrogen atom. Their composition is different. Their properties are different. Elements can exist in free state or in combined state, that is in molecule form. For example, helium, neon, argon, they exist in free state. Whereas if it get bonded with any atom, for example water, it is in combined state, where hydrogen and oxygen are interlinked with each other. Elements can exist in solid, liquid or gaseous state, but majority of elements are solid at room temperature. Thank you. Revise the topic taught and prepare note for it.